This is June 2006, paper 1, question number 4. Question 7 from the book. The first three terms in the expansion of 2 plus ax to the power n in ascending power of x are 32 minus 40x plus 5bx square. So 2 plus ax to the power n. This clearly means that if I expand this, we should be getting 32 minus 40x plus bx square. So if we say n, c 0, 2, n minus 0, ax to the power 0, this will be the first term. nc1, a, n minus 1, ax to the power 1. This should be the second term. nc2, a, n minus 2, ax to the power 2. This should be the third term. Now you need to understand that for each given term, for this particular first term, the answer is 32. For second, the answer is minus 40x. For third, the answer is bx squared. So if we just write down n c0 to n minus 0, ax to the power 0, this is equal to 32. So we can write down this thing as 2 to the power n is equal to 32. 2 to the power n, this should be 2 to the power 5. When bases are same and equated, powers are equated. So n is equal to 5. Similarly, when n is 5, now the second term was nc1 a n minus 1 ax to the power 1, which was equal to minus 40x, which was equal to minus 40x. And we know that a here is 2, but the value of n was 5. So 5c1 to 5 minus 1, a x to the power 1 should be equal to minus 40x. 5c1 is 5 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 5s is 80. Ax is equal to minus 40x. X and x is cancelled, so a is minus 1 upon 2. Similarly, if we see that nc2, a was 2, n minus 2, ax square is equal to bx. And we know that n is 5c2, 2 to the power 5 minus 2, ax to the power 2 should be bx. So bx square. So can we say 5c2 is? 5c2 is 10. 2 to the power 3. Ax square is equal to bx square. X square is cancelled. The value of a is minus 1 upon 2 square is equal to b. So this is 280. 80 multiplied by 1 upon 2 is equal to b. Value of b is the answer for this is 4. So it should be 20. So the value for b is 20 because square of 2 is 4. Square of 2 is 4. So 80 divided by 4 is 20. So if we just write down the correct terms, n is 5, a is minus 1 upon 2, and b is 20. This was question from June 2006, paper 1, question 4. From the book, this is question number 7.